Hello guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to play Rubik's Cube. First of all, in order to play Rubik's Cube, you have to know some things. That is, there are 3 layers in Rubik's Cube. First layer, second layer and third layer. And there are 6 sides. That is face, back, that is back side, top, down, that is bottom, right and left. These things are to be known because in the next stages we have to use those formulas which are related to this. And first of all, in order to create a fully completed Rubik's Cube, you have to start with some steps. There are nearly 10 to 12 steps to complete a Rubik's Cube. First of all, we will start with step 1. In step 1, we have to create a plus symbol, that is, consider center. It may be orange, green, red, blue, yellow or white. I am choosing it as white. So white is on the top right now. What is in the bottom? Yellow. We have to create a plus such that it should be plus but with the center of white. See, I am rotating it. There is no yellow. Again there is no yellow. There is yellow. Again there is yellow. We can't get yellows anymore. So now you try to rotate such that we will get a yellow till here. Suppose there is a yellow here, you should take it to here. We can do this like this. See, you have to observe everything. You have to check the sides from where you can bring that yellow here. See, this is the plus symbol, plus yellow with center white. That is the color which is in the bottom. This is the step 1. Step 2. Some people may take some time to create step 1. It takes some time because you will not get immediate yellow when you are turning like this. So check for that and practice more. For step 2, first we have got a plus symbol, right? That is yellow on the top, and check for the color which is on the sides. See, there is orange color here. So you have to rotate the bottom 2 layers in such a way that you will get a orange. We got a orange color. So consider this side. You rotate it twice. Once, twice. Again check another color. There is a yellow here and there is red on the side. So rotate 2 times. And rotate the bottom layer actually. You got the red color. So rotate it 2 times. Again we got blue. It is already there. So rotate it 2 times. Again there is green. You have to rotate the 2 layers down 2 layers. That is, we got the green color. So rotate it 2 times. See, all the colors have gone down because we have rotated 2 times. That is this side and again down. Now if you observe the bottom layer, it will become a plus symbol. Neglect this extra yellow color. It may or may not come, but this plus symbol is important. We got the second step. Step 3. Actually there was a yellow color in this position, but I have removed it so you can understand that step 2 completes with plus. You can take it or continue with that previous step, or you can do it like this. There are 4 colors you have to fill here, that is with yellow color, and you have to choose that yellow colors from the bottom layer. As this is the top layer, you have to check for the yellows in the bottom layer. We have got a yellow here. The color which is beside the yellow color, that is attached with the yellow color, is green color. So you have to go to green color as the center is green. See, this is called center matching. You have a green in the center and you have turned the yellow color with its adjacent color green to the center of green. This is called center matching. You have to do every time for the third step until the total top layer will be covered with our same color. See, we got a green here. So this yellow position is here. we should go take that yellow here. In order to do that, there is a simple trick. You have to bring this yellow down, take that yellow to that position, and take that yellow back, so that green color is matched here. This is the correct position of yellow, that is particularly this cube. And we should take one more color, one more position. Let us take this. Check for the yellow in the top bottom layer. See, their adjacent color is orange. Orange is again centered. So this yellow should come here. In order to do this, one more trick. You let the yellow go aside and let the yellow down here, and again you bring that yellow back, so that it will not move or go down. If you let us check the previous step which you have done to bring the yellow to this position. Suppose if you do the same trick in the previous step which you have done, if you bring the yellow down, this yellow will go. So you should do like this. Bring the yellow and take it up. Again check for another yellow in the bottom layer. There are no more yellows, so bring this yellow which is in the side to the down layer. For this, bring the yellow down, again turn it, again bring it back, so it will come to third layer. This step is common, you have to remember it, that's it. So the blue is already matched, so this position is here. We have to put this cube here. For that, previous step, move the yellow right side, left side, take it down and mix it. It has gone to top. Again remaining yellow cube, where it is here. See, yellow orange is matched, as it is the last position we have got. So put it here. How can you do this? The step I have explained you in the first. Bring it down, turn it left. My cube is stucking because it is an old cube. If you bring a new cube, it will be flexible easily, and you can do it flexibly. See, that layer is completed. Third layer is completed. This is the step 3 end. After the completion of the step 3, you can observe that the top layer is completely yellow and there are small T's on the sides, that is orange, green, red and blue. So take a reference side. I am taking green as the reference, and if you observe that the third color of the green, that is small t below the small t, on third layer, if you rotate, you will get a big T. This is the big T. Wait a minute. Okay, is it visible right now? This is the big T. If you observe in the bottom, we have a red color, that is the big T, the last cube, that is green color, we have the bottom as red, that is attached to the red color. This entire cube is having green and red. So you check for the red on the sides. This side we have orange, this side we have red. So turn it on the opposite side. We have red here, so turn it on the opposite side. That is the third layer you have to rotate. Okay. Now rotate it on the red side. That is one side down. And again rotate it right side. And again you turn it up. Again you go this side and turn it right side. And again this side you have to get it down. And this side you have to get it back side. And we have to get it up. So in this step we have got a cube here, that is green cube. You have to complete with this step with every side. See, this side we have orange T. If you get an orange here, to make it as a big T, there are no orange, so try it for another color. We check for downside. We have blue color. Okay, red. We have got a red T. In the down we have blue color. You observe for blue color. This side we have blue, so turn it up on the opposite side. Same step. Turn it down. Turn it right side. Again take it up. Take this side as reference. You take it right side. Again take it down. And, again take it back and place it over there. You have to do this step until these two layers, complete side two layers have to get filled up. Check for another color. We have got a blue color, blue tea. Down we have orange. This side we have orange. So we have to turn it left. Get the orange side down. Turn it right. Take it back. Again this side. We have to turn it right. Take it down. Take it this side and place it back over there. So there is no two layers. We have got a two layer this side. One more time. There is a green color downside. This side we have green. So take it to opposite side. Turn it down. Take it to right side. Take it up and take it again right side. Turn it down. Again back. Again top. See, we have got a two layers. See, we have got the two layers completely filled with green, red, blue, orange. That's it. Okay, we have completed the fourth step. You practice every step nearly 10 to 15 times so that you get perfect in that step. The initial steps are so difficult compared to later steps because the later steps are with formulas. Nothing you have to do, just the following the formulas you have to do it. So thank you. I will explain the later steps in the next video.